15 common idioms and phrases, with their meanings and example sentences. 1. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed. Example, I'm really tired, I think I'll hit the sack now. 2. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example, he was in hot water after missing the deadline. 3. Pull someone's leg, meaning to joke or tease someone. Example, are you serious or just pulling my leg? 4. Cry over spilt milk, meaning to be upset about something that can't be changed. Example, don't cry over spilt milk, just learn from the mistake. 5. Beat around the bush, meaning to avoid saying something directly. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. 6. By the book, meaning to follow the rules strictly. Example, the officer does everything by the book. 7. Jump the gun, meaning to act too soon without thinking. Example, don't jump the gun, wait for the full report. 8. Call it a day, meaning to stop working for the day. Example, we've done enough work, let's call it a day. 9. Back to the drawing board, meaning start again after failure. Example, the plan didn't work. It's back to the drawing board now. 10. Hit the roof, meaning to get very angry. Example, Dad hit the roof when he saw the broken window. 11. On cloud 9, meaning extremely happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after winning the competition. 12. Put all your eggs in one basket, meaning to rely on only one plan. Example, don't put all your eggs in one basket, try other options too. 13. Let sleeping dogs lie, meaning avoid restarting an old argument. Example, I didn't bring it up again. Better to let sleeping dogs lie. 14. Go the extra mile, meaning to do more than expected. Example, he always goes the extra mile to help his customers. 15. Rain on someone's parade, meaning to spoil someone's plans or mood. Example, I don't want to rain on your parade, but we may have to cancel the trip.